Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for joining me today. I did grocery hauls for a while and then I just kind of fell off because I was doing the what's for dinner videos and everyone seemed to love those. So I kind of slacked off on grocery hauls. But today I want to do a video that's a grocery haul. And I want to show you my meal plan and a little bit of what I'm prepping out of what I buy every week. So when I buy things, if I can possibly, I'll prep them for the week, right the day that I buy them, or maybe the day after, on Sunday or something, just to make it easier throughout the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this grocery haul. Alright, so we'll start over here on the Trader Joe's side. This pineapple is actually from Walmart, but I had so much stuff on here. I haven't gone grocery shopping in probably 3 weeks because I was out of town, and then the week before that I was busy. Things were all over the place. So this is definitely us being out of food for quite a while. So I think I spent, I want to say $150 on everything. So not too bad for 3 weeks of groceries, but definitely got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to start over here. So this pineapple is from Walmart, so it's not from Trader Joe's, so ignore it. I got some celery, I got a cucumber, I got this peppercorn garlic boneless pork tenderloin. I gotta be honest, I made boneless pork tenderloin I don't know, probably 2 years ago, and when I made it, it just tasted really weird and I just never bought it again. But this looks so good and I just want to give it another shot because I see people make it on their channels all the time and it looks so easy to make. So I just picked this up. So that was $6.83 too, which is really not bad. You get a lot of meat out of this. So that seemed like a good deal and it looked really good. I also got some chicken tenderloins. I got 2 packages of those, super cheap too, $3.54 and $3.09. Super good deal because usually, I mean, even at Publix, store brand and stuff is more expensive than this. So I thought that was a really good deal. I got some shredded carrots. I got some gala apples. I got 3 peppers. I got some of these little mini French green beans. I got some cherry tomatoes, a whole lot of cherry tomatoes. I love these, especially in the summer. They taste extra good. I don't know if I said cucumber, but cucumber. I got some onions. I got this pasta sauce. This is my favorite. This is amazing. Please excuse me, by the way. I have allergies and I know it's annoying to hear somebody constantly sniffing, so I'll try to not do that. But yeah, this is absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend this. It makes a quick meal out of nothing because it's so good. So definitely pick this up every time I go. I got this pasta because I love this pasta radiatore, whatever. I'm sure I'm butchering it. I get it for pasta salads, and I love making pasta salads with tricolored noodles, and I like making pasta salads with this noodle shape. So this is a two in one for me. So I'm gonna use this for pasta salad. I got some lettuce. I got some extra virgin olive oil, which I felt so dumb because I bought some at Walmart too. I went grocery shopping super late at night and I shouldn't have done it. So anyway, I got some of this extra virgin olive oil and it's organic, and it wasn't even expensive. Trader Joe's is so great. It was probably $5, which is what the other non-organic olive oil from Walmart was. I got this minced garlic. I see everybody use it. I've been told that it tastes just like regular garlic, so I'm gonna give it a shot. It's a shortcut. So I love putting garlic in basically everything I make, but sometimes it's just a pain to get it out and peel it and do all that jazz. So I'm gonna give this a shot and hopefully it works. And I think that was everything from Trader Joe's, so let me go ahead and get into the Walmart side now. Alright, so you guys saw the pineapple. I got some of these Grill Make seasoning packets. Leanne over at Grady's mom makes bomb what's for dinner videos, and she's always super seasoning and marinating her meat, and she inspired me. So the Baja Citrus is one that she says is her absolute favorite, and it's never in my store, so I picked it up. I got tomato, garlic, and basil, and I got some mojito and lime. So those probably are going to be delicious. I got some string cheese because we love string cheese in my house. This is always in my house is string cheese. Let's see, Colby Jack cheese, with crackers. Same for the mild cheddar. I got the bacon bits for a recipe. I got ranch because we were at a ranch for quite a while and Josh was starting to get agitated. So I kept forgetting to pick it up. I don't know why, but I got some ranch. I got some of this Smart Food popcorn. I got the sour cream and onion because I wanted to try it, but I knew Josh wasn't gonna like it, so I just got him the white cheddar kind. I got some broccoli. I got some green onions, some mushrooms. Oops, that almost fell. Some mushrooms. I got sugar snap peas, some coleslaw mix. I got baby spinach. I got, let's see, I got butter. And I got some chewy bars for Josh to take to work and also for me to take to work. I got some oatmeal for Josh. He loves peaches and cream. And I got these little mini pepperonis for pasta salad and little recipes, add in, stuff like that. I got this coffee creamer. My mom's actually coming over for coffee this morning and I didn't have any coffee creamer left. So I picked this up and I hope it tastes good. I got some strawberries. Their strawberries were looking great this week. I've been several weeks prior and they were not looking good, so glad to see they're looking better. I got some limes and lemons. I got some cuties. I got some potatoes. I got some of this beef Polska kielbasa. It's just the sausage stuff, so I know I'm ruining everything, all these names, but yeah, it's just the kielbasa, and you can really make this with anything. I always want to have this in my fridge for easy dinners. I got some eggs. I got yogurt, the Mickey Mouse yogurt. I'm like a child in that I do not like chunks of anything in my yogurt, so I usually have to buy child's yogurt. I had found some smooth yogurt by Yoplait, but now I can't find it anymore. And I felt like an adult bringing my Yoplait cups to work, but now I have to go back to bringing my Mickey Mouse stuff. But that's okay, because I love Disney anyways. This is the extra virgin olive oil that I picked up. I got Josh raspberry tea and a green tea. I got these hamburger buns. Let me pick them up because these were cool. These are not your average hamburger buns. I was kind of impressed with these. I don't understand why they don't sell hamburger buns in 4-packs because a lot of the time, that's how hamburgers come, so whatever. These are going to be good for sandwiches too because they're pretty sturdy. They're not I don't know how to describe it, but you know what I mean. They're sandwich worthy, so that's why I got these. I got crackers to go with the cheese. Speaking of sandwiches, I got this everything bagel bread, I guess. What's it called? Everything French bread. It's so good. This stuff is amazing. And it was marked down, which is also great. I'm having my mom over, for coffee or whatever. I'm gonna make her breakfast and I'm gonna give her I'm gonna toast this up, you guys. Amazing with eggs. So good. This is for sandwiches. It's some thin sliced provolone cheese. And I don't know, like I said, it was late when I went shopping at Walmart last night. I got 2 different kinds of bacon. I don't know why or what I was thinking, but I got some for the week, for recipes, and I got some for when my mom comes over this morning. So, I may or may not go out again because they're having some sales on meat and stuff at Harris Teeter. I don't know if I'm going to go out and do that. It's Mother's Day weekend. There's a lot going on. But if I do, I'm going to go ahead and include it in this video. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys my meal plan. And I'll show you some meal prep as well. So stick around. Alright guys, so in my little meal planning binder, I have my meals for the week all set up here. Monday we're going to do 1 pot Philly cheesesteak pasta with garlic bread. Tuesday we're going to do that pork loin that I got from Trader Joe's with some roasted veggies and mashed potatoes. Wednesday I'm super excited about for feta and spinach burgers. They're going to be delicious. Thursday I'm using some of the marinade to make mojito lime sheet pan chicken, and then Friday I'm going to make chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. Those are going to be really good too. So Saturday and Sunday, I never really plan usually. We're usually out to eat or dinner at my sister's. For this meal planning or meal prep situation, I'm not doing very much this week. We got a short week in terms of like work, and we're packing and moving and stuff. So I'm just getting a few things done to help me out throughout the week. So the first thing I'm doing is I am slicing up some strawberries. This is kind of a convenience thing, and it also ensures that we'll actually eat the strawberries. I love strawberries, I do, and I know Josh does, but, you know, when you have to take the time to clean them before you just, like, throw them in your lunch or whatever, you know, I don't know, they just don't end up getting eaten like they should. So when I do it like this, and the same for the clementines, they don't get eaten like they should. And I know it sounds dumb that, oh, all you have to do is peel it, but when you're on the go, like, it just seems like it's much easier to just grab one that's already peeled up, and I can throw it in Josh's lunch when I pack him lunch, or in my own. So these are really convenience things that will help a lot in the long run. Not wasting food. So this is the pasta from the grocery haul from Trader Joe's, and it turned out amazing. I love the shape, and I love the colors. So I'm just throwing in some random veggies in this pasta salad. There isn't really like a recipe or anything. I just take like basically whatever I have in my veggie drawer and just chop it up small and put it in the pasta salad with some sort of cheese and some sort of meat. But yeah, so I'll show you guys how I make that. Alright guys, so for the dressing, I always mix like Italian dressing with some sort of like Caesar or ranch. I have ranch today, so I'm just going to be mixing that up. I feel like this just kind of calms down like the super vinegary like bite in Italian dressing. So, you know, just to make it creamier, like a creamy to, oh my gosh, you guys. I've been making pasta salad for like 75 years, and I just realized, why don't I just buy creamy Italian dressing? I'm done. Anyway, so this is how I do it, the super complicated way, and I just mix the Italian and the ranch, and I stir it in my pasta, and I let it sit for a little bit to soak everything up. I did make 2 batches because I felt like this wasn't enough, but yeah. I also forgot to put in these little mini pepperonis, so I'm going to go ahead and add those in, and then I'm going to shove it in the fridge and let it sit, because the longer pasta salad sits, the better it gets. Alright, so the last thing I'm making is these little taco salad kits. These are easy to prep because taco meat is super easy to make, and you have usually about like 4 salads that you get out of this, and they're delicious, super easy to grab on the go, and a great option for lunch. Just a heads up, I don't usually put ranch seasoning in my taco mix. I just had used half a packet for something else that I was making, so I just threw the other half in there. Alright, so this is what the little taco salad kit looks like. I got some corn, tomatoes, cheese, and carrots on top of some romaine. And then the little compartment to the left, I got the taco meat. But I'll show you how to make this. Alright guys, so we have what looks like a pretty good start to the week. Again, like I said, this is kind of the short version of my meal prepping, just because, I don't know if you can tell, I'm sick, surprise. The allergies took control of my life, and within a day I'm like dying. So I have a short week because we're packing for our move. There's a lot going on, so I did make 4 of these taco salad kits. The meat was just still hot, so I didn't want to stack them. They're super delicious, super easy to grab for work, and we just put ranch on them the day of before we go. So, you know, that's awesome to have. The strawberries, super good to snack on and also grab for lunch. Pasta salad, the same, definitely a good side for a sandwich or for lunch itself. I'll just eat it by itself for lunch. It's super delicious that way too. And then, of course, the clementines, easy to grab and, you know, super simple to eat on the go. You know, that's what this is all about. It's just super like simplifying your life by meal prepping ahead of time. Alright guys, if you like this video, let me know, give me a thumbs up, or let me know in the comments and I will definitely make more of them. I hope everybody has a blessed, awesome, and productive weekend, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys later.